Schools, NGOs, businesses and other entities across Jamaica will be abuzz with activities today, February 28, as they celebrate Jamaica Day 2025 under the theme Celebrating Jamaica, Steaming Towards the Future, Honing Good Character. Chairman of the Jamaica Day Planning Committee, Marlon Williams, says Jamaica Day serves as an exceptional opportunity for schools and communities to showcase the spectrum of talents in science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Our news team paid a visit to Halfway Tree Primary School in Kingston.
It is Jamaica Day 2025 and we are here at the Halfway Tree Primary School celebrating with them. I'm here with Miss Debbie Smith, a teacher and a culture agent. And Miss Smith, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you for having us and thank you for being here.
Thank you. So tell me, what activities are you doing this morning to celebrate?
So to celebrate, we usually start with a short program where each class embodies the area that they were given. So the government would have sent us some areas that they would have wanted us to focus on. And each class was given an icon or an area that they should specialize in. So they will mount their displays and then they will present an item which embodies that. Outside of that, we are giving the children a slice of Jamaica. So thanks to the CIB, which is the Coconut Industry Board, they have helped us to ensure that they will enjoy coconut treats for the day. So we have jelly coconut, we have red top, we have the grater cake, we have all of those good stuff for the children to enjoy as a day. We also have the senior citizens of Kingston and St. Andrew. They are a staple here with us. We have a good relationship with the senior citizens here, and they are also here sharing with the students. They share their craft items, and they're also sharing the artifacts that they would have had, their memorabilia that they would have had from when they were children. We also have Miss Imogen Reed, who is also going to be sharing with the children and helping them to, celebrate Jamaica a little bit more with Jamaican souvenirs. So they will take away souvenirs for the day. Pretty much that is it. And then we have the train coming as well. I would love to see the train coming back because we had that as a child. I had that experience here going on the train, doing trips. And I want that for our children. So we're teaching them that, yes, once we had the tram and once we had the train. So that is what, giving the children train rides for the day would represent for us.
All right, so when all is said and done, what do you hope these students take away from today?
So what we would like for them to take away from today is that we would like them to understand that they are Jamaica's future. We want them to become proud of who they are as Jamaicans, to hold on to their national pride and to also understand that they have a future and to have hope for that future and to see what the possibilities are for them by having studied the people who have gone before, the Marcus Garvey, the Shirley Ralph, looking at those persons, Mr. Leckie, those persons who are in science and technology, looking at those persons to see all that Jamaicans have done and know it is possible for them to also do that and to become the very best of who they can be.
And there we have it. Jamaica Day at Halfway Tree Primary. Now enjoy a few more highlights.
Right in finals. Right, turn. By the center. Right wheel. Pick up.